Okay, so let's look at active voice, and passive voice. So the active voice is when the subject comes before the object in a sentence. A subject, object. So I drink the tea. I drink the tea. I read the book. I read the book. I, subject, book, object. I read the book. How cool is that? And then the passive voice is the opposite. Opposite. Where the object comes before the subject, and they often use by in the sentence. By. So object greater than subject. So the book was read by me. The pronoun changes as well. I, me. So the tea was drank by me. How cool is that? Very nice. Active and passive voice. So adjective, a describing word. How things are. How things are. The black cup. The green tea. The white shirt. The red suspenders. We're describing things. The light, small book. The big box. Big box. Big. Green, black, white, red. Light, heavy. Light. Heavy. Heavy. Small. Fast. Slow. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Adjective. Passive voice. Active voice. Let's keep exploring.